welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of some shoes that I bought over from Instagram. If you haven't all done so already, please subscribe and click the little notification bell to notify you when I have a new video. Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, click the like button if you like these kinds of videos for me to share when I buy these kinds of items. And if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and let's get to the video. So I bought these shoes thinking they were gonna come way sooner because I have bought it for a party. It was actually my sister's son baptism, and they didn't get here. They got here probably a week after the time that I was expecting them. I did got hooked from the got hooked on them from an Instagram ad. You scroll down on the Instagram and then something comes up, and I saw these shoes. Look at this. These shoes were not like, this is the post that I saw that actually had a little video and you could actually scroll to the other picture, but this one is just these. These are white. I did got the black version of them, but they look so nice. They're from ChicMe Official. That's where the Instagram page or profile, ChicMe Official. It has 8,264 likes, a lot of comments, and everybody was like saying something about them, that it was nice and all the shenanigans. And they were $32.99 dollars, which is a bit of an expensive for me to buy on a shoe, and seeing the quality that you're going to see. They came in just like this kind of a box, just in this bag. 2 weeks after, I want to say like a little bit more than 2 weeks after I ordered, and they come all the way from Chaoyang District, Beijing, China. And when I opened the bag, because I already opened, look at the box. It's all squished and ripped. I think I ripped this. I might have. It's all squished. Right here it says, I'm thinking this is the size for them. Size 38. I'm thinking I got size 7, US 7. And the box is totally smushed and squished, and it weighs absolutely like nothing. I could say there's like some let's get to opening it. This is what I opened. The box all squished just like this, and look, it completely falls apart. It falls apart. Like, I know the box is the less that you should care about, but it falls apart. And here are the shoes. The shoes come individually wrapped or individually put in a like cello bag, just like that. Hold on. And I did got them on the black, like I told you. Look at this. They are like sandals, like wedge sandals. And this is what they look like. Oh, look right here. It even looks like there's some kind of a glue or something right inside. Can you see that white spot right here? That looks like some kind of a glue. Hoping that's glue. Yeah, it must be glue. And this is how they look like. You can see on the sides the glue kind of part of it. And it has, of course, a shoelace, and right on the back you put it through a zipper, which is nice because you don't have to like untie, which it has like, it does nothing actually. If you actually tie it, it does nothing because it's not movable, it's not open. So you do open it through a zipper and you put your little foot through there. The brand that it says is called by Jib. It also makes me think of Beijing, China. By Jib. And they are like super light, and I want to go and say they're like super cheap, but I put them on and they're not heavy. They're easy to walk on, which is nice for somebody that is not used to wearing high heels. But like the wedge heel is the most easy heel that you can walk on, because you're like walking on flats, but you're kind of high, but it's still a flat surface. It doesn't have a heel like separated. So the wedges are the easiest shoe, the high shoe heel that you can that that you can walk on. They of course smell like synthetic leather. I do like them. They're nice. My feet looks a little bit smaller when I put it on. I like the white ones as well, but I thought the white ones were gonna be a bit dirtier. That's why I got the black ones. And look at this. Let me take out the other one. And that's how both of them look. Like I tell you, they weigh absolutely nothing. Like, I don't know, like 10 grams or less than that. I don't even know that. It weighs absolutely nothing. Right here, it's like squishy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. Look it. Can you see this dentation? They're squishy. Like there's foam here, or it could be cardboard. They're squishy. Now this part, the sole part, it's plastic, but I think this plastic is like hollow, or kind of like a plastic like from the Crocs, but a bit thicker and denser. And yeah, like you can see right here the faux leather. Of course, they're not gonna be real leather. I'm not gonna buy that either, but it's the faux leather and the shoelace. And it has the little loops here, and just like that, $32.99. I think they're a bit expensive for the quality that they are. Look at this. There it is. There, let me put my legging. Look, it looks alright. I'm going to put them on and then show you, but it's a nice fit. It actually fit right away. I'm like at 6.5, so I went a half a size bigger. So I did order the size 7. So it's perfect because when you like actually step on, your toe goes all the way to the top or to the end of the shoe. But yeah. So yeah, I just thought I should share with you. If you want to wait those 2 weeks to receive your shoes, if you're okay with the kind of a quality, it is a very light, super easy to walk on shoe, so that's a plus. If you are not so used to using heels, these are a nice shoe to have. $32.99. I think they're on the bit pricey side because of the quality, but if you like, I will make sure to put the link or the Instagram page that I got it from, and for you guys to check it out. I'm going to show you now how they look on my feet. Look, that's how that's my review. That's my humble opinion about the shoes. If you like these kinds of videos for me to share when I have these kinds of buys, please click the like button and tell me if you like them in the comments below. And if you have bought it, and if you have made impulsive buys from Instagram ads like we all do. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.